Hi. What's up? Today we are going to be making Today we are going to be making music with bottles.
And they're empty, just to let you know. And it won't work as well if you keep the wrap around it.
Okay, ready?
So you have to actually take this off. You see you have some of this? That's okay, that'll work.
But not making music, but making sounds, right?
Yeah. Okay.
If you listen closely, you'll hear the sound. How about you could hear the sound too?
Alright. And also, if you want to try this at home, you can do it. All you have to do is run and do a circular motion. Or if there's wind, all you got to do is circle. See, hold on, let me show you.
But also, you don't always have to make make sounds with a bottle by doing the air. You can also just bang it against something like this. I mean, no, with the lid off.
Yeah, because if you do it with the lid on, listen to how it sounds.
This sounds better.
Yeah. Well,
we're not.
So that, yeah, I was about to say. So that's like what you can do with bottles.
Yes. And if you want to try this at home, go ahead. But don't do it with soda in it.
No, because then the soda would squirt out everywhere.
I had to actually.
And it wouldn't make any noise.
I had to pour my soda out. I will show you where it's wet.
I drank all this soda.
Well, I didn't pour all of it out. It was like I poured this much out right here. It may not look like it, but I did. See? Okay. So, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.